Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Billy's Garage and welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. So today we're actually going to be going out to Pasadena. I was just strolling through Instagram, actually through Facebook, and I found a set of 24s that I like. So what we're going to do is we're going to go out there today and check them out. If I like them, we'll pick them up and throw them on the Silverado. So let's go ahead and get out there, guys. It's about a 45-minute drive from where I live, and we'll check them out. Hopefully I like them and we'll pick them up. Alrighty, guys. What's up, guys? We're out here at Red's Auto, so we're gonna get some new wheels for the single cab. I'll let you guys check them out here shortly. All right, guys, we got the wheels loaded up. Check them out. What's up, guys? So it is the next day. I pulled the wheels off of the truck, and we're gonna be putting them on today. So let me show you guys the wheels and you guys can check them out. Let me know what you guys think on the tires. I feel like they may be just a little too thin for me. But I mean, we'll probably do some burnouts or something with these tires. But let me let you guys check them out. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, so these are the wheels we picked up. These are some 24-inch, believe they come on the Tahoe. 24-inch wheels. The tires are 275 30 24. I don't know if you guys remember, but the truck actually came with 24s on 295 30 24. So I'm hoping it's not too big of a difference, but we'll get them installed. Kane's already checking them out, and we'll wash up the truck because it's a little dirty. All right, let me pull it out. Wheel off. Just wanted to show you guys the suspension setup this truck has. The cross-road slaughter brakes, red calipers. And the guy had it, definitely took care of it. It's a little dirty, but just wanted to check it out. All right, guys, let's get this on. All right, guys, there it is. We got one down. Let me know what you guys think. 24s look better or 22s? Get this back one put on real quick. Love how them 24s look. I'm glad I went with that tire size. What do you guys think? Let me show you the other side so you guys can see the difference. '22s. And then we got the 24s on this side. Comment down below which ones you like. Let me know, guys, which one you likes best. let's finish up the other side and then we'll wash it up a little bit. All right, guys, we're gonna take it for a quick ride just to go pick up something to drink. We got Kane here with us. Just kind of want to see how it rides with these wheels. He's freaking out. Kane, scared, man? Kind of want to change this thing out as well, guys. Looking for a steering wheel, so I'll start looking for one here soon. But let's go to the store and see how this thing rides. Alright, guys, so we're gonna try to get a quick pull so you guys can see what this thing can do with the 24s. Alright. This thing pulls big time, guys. That's not no shifting, no nothing, just in regular drive. But even with the 24, this thing is still pulling nice. The wheels sit really good. No rubbing at all, guys. I'm really liking this setup. Alright, guys, so we got all the wheels on it and we actually just finished cleaning it up. I'll let you guys check it out and see what you think. Guys, well, there you have it. The 24-inch Denali wheels have been put on the Silverado. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you think that the 22s look better or the 24s. I actually love the way these 24s look. I like the 22s. I just felt they were a little too small. These actually are not the final wheels we're gonna keep on this truck, but I just needed something to ride on. I got a pretty good deal on these, guys. But let me know what you guys think and continue to watch and subscribe, guys. We got a lot more stuff coming for this truck and for the Vet and hopefully for the C10 as well. We got a couple of little updates on that as well. Now I'm gonna be making a video also on my daily drivers. I got an F-150 I'm daily driving. So I just wanna make a little update on that one as well, guys. But I appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Alrighty.